Alright, let's talk about how to use Dropbox. Dropbox is a website that syncs with a download that will go onto your computer. And what you want to do is go to dropbox.com, as you see up here in my browser box, just dropbox.com. This is the very first screen you will see as a brand new Dropbox user. You will want to probably do this part first, where you will sign in, you create your account, but you also will want to download the Dropbox to your computer. The files that will be downloaded will actually sync with the website, so that whenever there is a change made in Dropbox, in a folder that you own or a folder that you are a member of, you will receive a notification that will actually happen. You'll see it right here, this little Dropbox thing, this little box icon will tell you, a little pop-up will come up and it'll tell you that there's been so many files added or deleted or recently changed in your Dropbox folders. Again, that only happens with a shared folder that you will receive. So download Dropbox here, create your account here. Again, I don't know which one of the two you need to do first, I don't remember. You'll see it download. A big green arrow will end up coming up here, pointing down to this little icon in your tray. As you see, as I click on it, it tells me some information here. Anyway, you can actually remove that if you don't like it later, but get it taken care of, like get it on your computer, and then once you create your account, you'll sign in. And let's see here, I just sign in like this, and now I have a lot of Dropbox folders, but they'll have a preset number of them in there. You can change the folders names and things, but please do not change shared folders. See how they have two people here? That is a shared folder, so that means there's more than one person in that folder using it at the same time. When you actually, let's close this down, you can see when I go under my start menu, I have Dropbox here. I also have it over here as a shortcut. But what you do is you bring it up, Dropbox, here it is, it's on my computer, and all these files that you see here are actually the same exact files that you see I have here. Now why this is pretty cool is because whether you're working on the web or you're working on your own computer, even if you're not online, these will sync up with these and vice versa. So you're always going to be up to date with any changes that you make. You can also use your Dropbox account, this like here, online on somebody else's computer by going to Dropbox.com, signing in for yourself into your own account, and your files will pull up, which is pretty neat. If you are more into tech tools and you like a smartphone or a tablet, you can download the app for Dropbox and have it sync up with your account. You just sign in, same information you would have here, you will sign in to the app and it'll all sync. So again, anything that's connected to your Dropbox account will all be up to date at the same time. When you work in one of them, they all will be the same. Anyway, so the thing about these shared folders, this is what's really important. When you are invited to a shared folder, like Kelly's Director Dropbox or Kelly's team, or like here's my team, March team Dropbox, these files that are in here mean that everybody that's on my team who is in the Dropbox, they can open up these same files. But what you do not want to do as a shared folder person, member there, you want to open up the file. If you like the file you see, what you want to make sure you do not do is change this file. This is an original file right here, see? If you want to keep it for yourself and edit it however you'd like to, please go here and save as and choose a destination elsewhere to save a file that you want to change any information on. This prevents this file here from being changed from the original, being deleted by mistake, That's the biggest problem that we do have with Dropbox, is people not understanding how to work with the files that they find in a shared folder. So that's the biggest thing. Please be careful. We can tell if you are the one that's doing it, to be honest with you, and we'll kind of touch upon it a couple times if by mistake you might have changed it. We've all done it. We can restore, but honestly, let's not. We don't have a lot of time for that. So let's do our best to know that you open a file, you save as, and put it somewhere else. It can even be in your own Dropbox. Just put it in a private Dropbox folder that isn't shared. See how this isn't shared? There's no little people symbol there. Anyway, I hope this makes some sense of how to use Dropbox. It's nice when you are connected with other consultants that are willing to share their information with you, and directors, we're doing that for you guys, so please take advantage of it. It's a great source of information.